All right, guys, we at 3375 South Ave in big old Bartow.
That's right.
Yeah, we at this open house over here with Radford Homes. Look at this beautiful house, guys.
But who did this home?
Well, Curtis Henry and Company did this house, LLC. I have a great group of guys that work with me, also women, that work for me, that promotes and builds this company.
Well, Kurt, let me ask you this. Can you put a roof on a house?
Yes, I did. Let's put example. Let me show you this one here. We put the roof on that, and at the same time, we did a house at the same time, two family, and I think it was Winter Haven.
Winter Haven, that's right.
Yes, sir.
So if somebody need to contact you, Kurt, how can they get in contact with you and get some work?
No problem, no problem. My number is 850-284-2948, and we'll be glad to be your assistance to you.
Aren't you a veteran as well?
I am U.S. Army 13 Bravo.
Salute all veterans.
Salutes all veterans.
All right, thanks.